Where?
You can go there if you're really close.
Oh, that's a small. That's a mini golf. Oh.
Finally get off. You're not supposed to.
You
We
know.
have to get the
Yeah.
cutters and
Equipment may be
brushes.
checked out from the front
Where's
desk.
the front desk?
Putting hours. Where's the front desk?
Dog's gonna be checked out from the front desk.
Meron silang ano.
The front desk.
There's a lady. He's holding a.
Yeah,
Wow.
Let's go get our Annalie.
This.
Let me read the directions.
I don't know.
Watch your step.
Equipment. Putting hours. Equipment. Wow.
Putters and balls.
Oh, from the front desk.
From the front desk. Where's the front
So
desk?
look at the number. Look at the number. You start the first one and you go to the
All the way down. You can ask Nick where you get the putters.
front desk. Right there. See equipment.
So where's the front desk? How many front desks we have? Over there or here?
Where's the?
Sa opisina?
That's too far.
Call that number.
Call that number. Putting course. When you want to get the equipment, you have to go there and check out the putters and balls equipment to do the kids golf thing. So, where's the office?
Sa opisina siguro.
Yeah, you have to call that
O baka
number.
dito sa... You know where the equipment may
Chee.
may bike, may ano.
Hmm.
Hold it. Getting hot.
It's by it's here, by our building.
By our building? That's too far.
Well,
Oh, the one when we check
Check
in.
in,
Yeah, when we check in. Okay. Me in front of. Oh, halaga, let's go on the walk. Let's walk over there.
Baka pa sa labo. Dito ulit. Ganun ba yan?
Mhm.
Baka dito sa...